Hello, today we're going to be talking about the Fertan Rust Converter. Again, another money saver from Frost. Fertan is manufactured in Germany and it's slightly different than most other rust converters, where rust converters primarily are of a water-based solution, like a water-based latex. It looks a little bit like milk, and you would apply a coat, give it 20-30 minutes and apply another coat, which is all well and good. But in cold weather it does affect the drying, and it can also as well, if it freezes, it can actually turn to cottage cheese, which is absolutely no good to anybody. Whereas with the Fertan, it's not a water-based solution, it's just one coat, and the beauty is there's no shelf life with it. You can actually put that to one side after use and go back to it in 2, 3, 4 years time. Just agitate it and use it. So if you were to paint, say, a wing or a bonnet or a door, even a full shell, one coat of this on, after about 24 hours, just with a bucket and sponge, just give it a wipe over. Just remove any excess that may be on the surface. Let it dry. You can then leave that panel for up to 6 months outside without any further flash rusting. 12 months inside. So if you've got a project that you're working on that requires a lot of time, which most of them do, but you're always worried about the parts of the vehicle flash rusting, not a problem. You can coat the whole vehicle with this. That's why we actually sell it as a 5 litre now. So one coat, 24 hours, give it a wipe off. Literally, that's all you've got to do with it. And then when you're ready to paint, you can go directly over that with either your etch primer, your epoxy primer, whatever it is you're using. There's no rubbing back to do. You can literally go straight over. So really, as a rust converter, second to none, plus it's a money saver for you as well. Thank you.